Words have value. You can make money writing. Imagine turning your passion for writing into a steady income stream. Have you ever thought about making money from your writing? It's a dream many have, but few pursue. It's totally possible. Good writing skills are valuable. They can open doors to numerous opportunities. People will pay you for them. From businesses needing content to individuals seeking ghostwriters, the demand is high. Whether it's blog posts, website copy, or even fiction, there's a market for your words. Each niche has its own audience and potential for income. This isn't just about getting rich. It's about finding a balance between passion and profession. It's about doing something you love and getting paid for it. Imagine waking up every day excited to write. Writing can be incredibly rewarding. The joy of seeing your work published and appreciated is unmatched. Sharing your thoughts, ideas, and stories with the world is amazing. It's a way to connect with others on a deeper level. And if you can earn money while doing it, even better. Financial stability through writing is achievable. This essay will show you how. We'll dive into practical steps and strategies. We'll explore different ways to monetize your writing. From freelancing to self-publishing, the options are vast. We'll look at platforms like WordPress and others. These tools can help you reach a wider audience and maximize your earnings. We'll even talk about the rise of AI and what it means for writers. How can you leverage technology to enhance your writing career? So, are you ready to unlock the power of your words? Let's get started. Your journey to making money through writing begins now. WordPress, your writing headquarters. WordPress is like the Swiss Army knife of websites. It's incredibly versatile. You can use it for blogs, portfolios, online stores, and more. But for writers, it's a goldmine. First off, it's free to use. You can set up a basic website or blog without spending a dime. Of course, you can pay for extra features, but starting for free is awesome. Second, WordPress is user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech whiz to navigate it. It's designed for everyone, even if you're new to websites. Third, it's incredibly customizable. You can choose from tons of themes and plugins to make your website look exactly how you want. This is your chance to get creative and showcase your personal brand. Earning from your blog, multiple income streams. So you have your WordPress website. You've put in the hard work to set it up, and now it's time to see some returns. Now what? Time to make some money. But how do you go about it? Luckily, WordPress offers multiple avenues for monetization. You can diversify your income streams to maximize your earnings. One popular method is through advertising. This is a straightforward way to start earning. You can sign up for programs like Google AdSense. It's easy to get started and doesn't require much effort. They'll place ads on your website. These ads are usually relevant to your content, making them more likely to be clicked. You earn money every time someone clicks on an ad. The more traffic you have, the more potential for clicks and revenue. Ad revenue expert. Another option is affiliate marketing. This can be highly lucrative if done correctly. This involves promoting other people's products or services on your website. You include special links that track sales. If someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The key is to choose products that align with your audience's interests. Affiliate marketing expert. And don't forget about selling your own digital products. This can be a game changer. You can create and sell ebooks, online courses, or other digital products. These can provide a steady stream of income, or printables directly from your WordPress site. The possibilities are endless, and you can tailor them to your niche. This is a great way to establish yourself as an expert and generate passive income. The more value you provide, the more you can earn. Diversifying your income streams not only increases your earnings, but also provides long-term financial stability. So, start exploring these options today. Let's talk about someone who's been there, done that. Meet Sarah, a freelance writer who turned her passion for travel into a thriving online business. Sarah started a travel blog on WordPress a few years ago. She shared her experiences, tips, and stunning photography. She monetized her blog through a combination of advertising, affiliate marketing, and selling her own travel guides. Today, Sarah earns a full-time income from her blog. She travels the world, writes about her adventures, and inspires others to do the same. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and a well-crafted WordPress website. Let's take a moment to hear about Emily, a digital marketer who turned her writing skills into a thriving business. She started by writing SEO-friendly blog posts and gradually expanded into social media marketing. By leveraging SEO techniques and building a strong online presence, She attracted high-paying clients and grew her business exponentially. The key is consistency and always providing value to your audience. Thanks, Emily. Her story shows that with the right strategy, anyone can turn their writing into a profitable career. If you're enjoying these tips and want more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. While WordPress is an excellent platform, it's not the only game in town. Numerous other platforms and websites can help you monetize your writing skills. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect businesses and individuals with freelance writers. You can find gigs ranging from writing blog posts and website copy to creating social media content and even writing scripts. Content mills like TextBroker and iWriter offer a constant stream of writing assignments, although the pay is often lower than what you'd find on freelance platforms. However, they can be a good starting point for building your portfolio. If you're interested in writing for established publications, platforms like Contently connect freelance writers with brands and agencies looking for high-quality content. Now you might be thinking, what about AI? Will robots take over all the writing jobs? It's true that AI is rapidly advancing. AI-powered tools can now generate fairly decent text. But here's the thing, AI lacks the human touch. Your unique voice, creativity, and ability to connect with readers on an emotional level are invaluable. These are qualities that AI can't replicate. So, while AI might be able to handle some basic writing tasks, there will always be a demand for skilled human writers who can craft engaging, informative, and entertaining content. So, you're ready to embark on your writing journey? Awesome! Here are a few practical tips to get you started. First and foremost, write consistently. The more you write, the better you'll become. Set aside dedicated time for writing, even if it's just for 30 minutes a day. Consistency is key. Second, read widely. Pay attention to different writing styles, tones, and formats. The more you read, the more you'll expand your vocabulary and improve your own writing. Third, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different writing niches, styles, and platforms to find what you enjoy most and where your skills shine. Having a strong portfolio is crucial, especially when you're starting out. It's a collection of your best writing samples that demonstrate your skills and experience to potential clients. If you don't have any paid writing samples yet, don't worry. You can create your own blog and write about topics you're passionate about. You can also offer to write guest posts for other blogs in your niche. The key is to showcase your writing abilities and build a body of work that you're proud of. Networking is essential for any freelancer, and writers are no exception. Connecting with other writers can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and valuable feedback on your work. Attend writing conferences, join online writing communities, and engage with other writers on social media. Building relationships with fellow writers can provide support, inspiration, and potentially lead to paid gigs. The world of writing is constantly evolving. New technologies emerge, writing styles change, and audience preferences shift. To stay ahead of the curve, it's crucial to never stop learning. Take online courses, attend webinars, and read books and articles about writing, marketing, and building an online presence. Investing in your professional development will make you a more competitive and sought-after writer. Start your writing adventure today. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to monetizing your writing skills. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, the journey to becoming a successful writer is filled with opportunities. From harnessing the power of WordPress to exploring freelance platforms, the digital age offers countless avenues to showcase your talent. Embrace the human touch in the age of AI and let your unique voice shine through. The possibilities are endless when you combine creativity with technology. The most important step is to start. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Don't wait for the perfect moment or until you feel ready. The perfect time to start is now. Start writing today, even if it's just a few hundred words. Every word you write is a step forward. The more you write, the more confident you'll become. Writing is a skill that improves with practice. And the closer you'll be to achieving your writing goals, each completed task brings you one step closer to success. Remember, your words have value. They have the power to inspire, inform, and entertain. Share your stories, insights, and creativity with the world. Collaboration and feedback can help you grow as a writer, and watch as your writing skills open doors to exciting opportunities and financial rewards. Public readings and events can be great platforms to showcase your work. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so take that step today. Every journey starts with a single, courageous step, and unleash your writing potential. The world is waiting for your unique voice and perspective.
Subscribe to Rich Roadmap for top tips on freelancing, side hustles, and financial growth. Hit the bell icon to stay updated and join our community of aspiring entrepreneurs. Let's journey together towards financial freedom and success.